be on hunger strike. Now, I want to just leave you, my lord, with a thought and a suggestion. We are all interested that this hunger strike be withdrawn because we are worried about the health of these doctors. Now, my lord, I want to point out to one letter which is annexed at page 90 of my learned friend Ms. Karuna's application. I will just read the relevant passage to you.
Please tell us what it is about.
I'll tell. It's addressed by the state of West Bengal. No, it's addressed to the state of West Bengal, my lord. And it says, election to students' unions have not been conducted since the year 2022. Now, my lord, your lordship will take it from me. The law prescribes the conduct of elections annually by the university. My lord, your lordship will take it from me that the cause of what has happened in RG Corps is the fact that from 2022 onwards, no student elections have been held. And as a consequence, nominated people, my lord, nominated people from different political parties are performing the role which a student union would otherwise perform. This is the cause of what has happened in RG Corps. Favoritism and threat culture is coming from this absence of complying with statutes. The law says you shall hold a student election every year, and that's the responsibility of the state, of the university.
Ms. Jaithin, our entering into this area would be far beyond the campus.
One minute. In that case, I have a request to make, please.
Can we concentrate on the child?
Please. I have a request to make.
Lord, where are we leading?
Lord, I'm sorry. Allow me to finish. Lord, I have a request. I have a request to make.
That is, we would be expanding the ambit of a proceeding.
Yeah, well, allow me to make a request. 1 minute, please. Lord, please. I'm concluding. Allow me if they don't interrupt. Lord, allow me to make a request.
Any release which you want to seek in that regard before the bench under 226, you can move to
yes.
the High Court.
Your Lordship may give me liberty.
Where the High Court
Your Lordship be satisfied with that order. Your Lordship may kindly
give any liberty.
I have filed an application in this court. The argument will be it's pending in the Supreme Court. I just want that clarification.
That is happening.
I want that clarification that they can go to the High Court.
You withdraw your application so that you can pursue your remedies in accordance with law.
I'll do that.
My lords, very briefly, the task force.
They give the court master the number. He will permit you to withdraw the application.
One second. My lord, just hear me out. Lord, this is not right.
They are belittling the whole exercise.
Ms. Jaising, we are not going to enter into the field of election.
I understand.
For student union bodies, that's not the remit of this proceeding.
I understand what is being put to me, but before you pass an order saying withdraw the application, your lordship may say withdraw the prayer in the application for the conduct of an election. There are other prayers which
My lord,
may
that
remain.
might be a good solution. To just that one line to say that prayer is
So the
withdrawn.
prayer in the application for the conduct of elections, so as to enable the petition applicants to pursue such remedies that are available.
My lords, I am also.
High Court with liberty.
All right, now follow J. Davis. We have a
I'm withdrawing the same prayer. I am withdrawing the same prayer.
I have a rather pressing, but I'll make a
I'm
very brief.
withdrawing the same prayer. My lords has allowed.
With respect to the police commissioner's revelation of the identity of the victim, your lordship had not passed an oral order, and told the other side to go to the Calcutta High Court and say that this is within their remit and not within your lordship's remit. But unfortunately, I didn't think I'd have to come back after your lordship was so clear about it. But unfortunately, my lord, when we went back to the Calcutta High Court, and the Calcutta High Court has passed an order now saying, in view of what was said, we need a clarification. What was told to the High Court by Ms. Guruswamy on that day was that the application is not disposed of. It's still pending.
Now they've withdrawn the application.
No, my lords, intervention applications are pending here before my lords.
But that's what they do. Intervention applications can't prevent the High Court from assuming jurisdiction over.
We kindly see the High Court's order.
My lord, the High Court is very hesitant and quite understandable.
Yes.
You are aggrieved by an order of the High Court, challenge it in an SLP.
No, I'm not aggrieved by the order.
We are not going to allow orders of the High Court to just be shown to us and we pass.
No. My lord, that's not the point. What do I do, my lord? My lord, I came to this.
And
To
applications are.
file, if the High Court rejects the petition,
They haven't rejected the petition. They've asked for a clarification. They say, please see, my lord.
they're not going to issue any clarification on the data.
But then what do I do, my lord? This is a serious matter. Please see.
To invite an order of dismissal, come here, we'll deal with the matter.
But they're not dismissing it.
We are not going to
But
short the
they-
order of the.
Yes, my lord, please see, it's a short order.
You can show the lights.
Here,
I can show your lordship the live streaming of what is happening.
we have copies of the order.
Where the High Court?
This is why I asked the lordship to just put it in the order last time.
They have interventions here, they file writ petitions there, they file responses 20 minutes before the hearing.
This is obfuscation by Ms. Guruswamy and it's not fair to me.
আরজি করে ছাত্র সংসদ নির্বাচন নিয়েও উঠল প্রসঙ্গ ইন্দিরা জয় সিং এর কথায়, সেখানে থ্রেট কালচারেও প্রসঙ্গ উঠল, কিন্তু প্রধান বিচারপতি কলকাতা হাইকোর্টে যেতে পরামর্শ দিলেন এবং এই মামলার ব্যাপ্তি আরো বেড়ে যাবে বলে পর্যবেক্ষণ। প্রধান বিচারপতি এই প্রসিডিং এ যাবেন না।
Because this matter is pressing, my lord, there is a serious violation by a chief.
See what we can do with that.
Yes.
Given an next, my lords, of November 6th for us to file our
We are waiting for an interview. We'll close the proceeding here. We've spent enough time. We have a half an hour now. for
Lord, may I just,
Obligement.
Lord, may I just,
please.
Lordships are indicating the next date.
Ma'am,
In 3 weeks, we'll take it up after the Diwali holidays.
Very
Lord, there are two issues of immense public importance that.
On the next date, please. On the next.
Very well, very well.
Lord, may I just renew my request at liberty to approach the High Court? I don't want to be stuck, Lord. I don't want to
We have said, if you want to do that, to pursue your remedies in accordance with law, we have said that.
Very well, Lord. Much obliged, much obliged.
3 সপ্তাহ পর শুনানি, দেওয়ালির ছুটির পর শুনানি প্রধান বিচারপতি জানিয়ে দিলেন এবং আজকে যে শুনানি হলো, সওয়াল জবাব হলো, তাতে সিবিআই এর স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট আবার জমা পড়লো, পঞ্চম স্ট্যাটাস রিপোর্ট। সিভিক ভলান্টিয়ার নিয়ে প্রশ্ন প্রধান বিচারপতির ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে এবং সিভিক ভলান্টিয়ারের যোগ্যতা কি, কিভাবে তাদের নিয়োগ করা হয়, এইগুলো তাদের কিভাবে নিয়োগ করা হয়, তাদের ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড কি, তাদের বেতন কিভাবে দেওয়া হয়, সমস্ত পরবর্তী শুনানির দিন রাজ্যকে দিতে হবে, এরকমটাই নির্দেশ প্রধান বিচারপতির। এছাড়াও
Serious violation by a chief.
See what we can do with
Yes.
that.
given an next, my lords, of November 6th for us to file our
We are waiting for an interview. We'll close the proceeding here. We've spent enough time. We have a half an hour now. for
Lord, may I
this
just,
matter.
Obligement.
Lord, may I just,
Please.
Lordships are indicating the next date.
In 3 weeks, we'll take it up after the Diwali holidays.
Very
Lord, there are two issues of immense public importance that.
On the next date, please. On the next.
Very well, very well.
Lord, may I just renew my request at liberty to approach the High Court? I don't want to be stuck, Lord. I don't want to.
We have said, if you want to do that, to pursue your remedies in accordance with law, we have said that.
Very well, Lord. Much obliged, much obliged.
3 সপ্তাহ পর ফের মামলার শুনানি, সিভিক ভলান্টিয়ার নিয়ে রাজ্যের হলফনামা তলব এবং রাজ্য যা যা পরিকাঠামো নিয়ে যা যা রিপোর্ট দিয়েছে তাও পর্যবেক্ষণ, মন্তব্য। 31 অক্টোবরের মধ্যে আরজি করের শেষ হবে আর 31 অক্টোবরের মধ্যে অন্যান্য মেডিকেল কলেজের পরিকাঠামো উন্নয়ন শেষ হবে।